This woman went to bed with a plastic put on her stomach. Look what happened the next day. Remember, all people are not the same. It is possible that this home remedy will serve you, and it is possible that this home remedy will not serve you. There is no magic or miracles in health, do not forget. There is nature and the desire to do things well. We will tell you why and how to use a plastic wrap and seaweed cream. The results of this method are amazing. Always consult your physician before performing any of these procedures. This woman was a mother of 3 children, and after going through the process of the 3 pregnancies, her body was changed and she wanted to get in shape. She says her friend suggested and convinced her to try weight loss regimen for plastic wrap. He had nothing to lose, so he decided to give it a try. She recalls that she felt like her stomach was no longer attractive and flat as before to have children, and that she was open to any suggestion that they would be efficient. For this treatment, bought some plastic paper, seaweed cream and bandages. He applies the lotion on his stomach before going to bed. After that she wrapped it with plastic wrap, but not too tight, since she would sleep with him during the night and it was necessary to feel comfortable. When he got up the next day in the morning, he had lost some weight. With this method, the body eliminates all the water it has retained during the day through perspiration thanks to the lotion and the plastic wrap. In order to get better results, you should boost the weight loss process with a little exercise and a healthy diet. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3. Give.
Yeah.